Good morning, children. I am Mrs. Reema Sengupta from Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, Vasai. This is the remote learning initiative taken by Shet Vidya Mandir English High School, affiliated to CBSE. Today I am going to teach Civics for Standard 8th, Understanding Marginalization, Part 1. What is marginalization? Marginalization means when a certain person or a set of people are made to feel of lesser importance by those in power. Marginalized persons are forced to the periphery or the edge of society. Their demands are usually overheard and their desires and dreams are ignored by society. This in turn robs them of the facilities and opportunities enjoyed by the non-marginalized sections of society. In this lesson, we will learn about two communities who are considered to be socially marginalized in India. Adivasi actually translates to the original inhabitants, and Adivasis were the original inhabitants of our country, that is the indigenous people of India. Adivasis have a different set of social norms and behaviors than our modern society. They had their own languages and dialects, forms of self-government, and their own native religions and practices. As well, they usually live in small groups in forests or at the edge of forests. Then, when industrialization started in India, Adivasis and their lands were exploited by rulers and the government. Most of the Adivasi population was found in Jharkhand, Odisha, and other states of northeast India. Adivasis and development. Adivasis are invariably portrayed in very stereotypical ways in colorful costumes, headgear, and through their dancing. Besides this, we seem to know very little about the realities of their lives. This often wrongly leads to people believing that they are exotic, primitive, and backward. Often Adivasis are blamed for their lack of advancement as they are believed to be resistant to change or new ideas. But mining activities, commercial farming, timber industries, and even war in some regions forced to Adivasis from their home and their occupations. They were pushed out of their homes and forced to migrate to other parts of the country. They faced a lot of difficulties due to their inability to merge with society. Also, they were largely illiterate and some were malnourished. Even after working hard manual labor jobs or working in factories, they remained extremely poor. The modern society and its citizens started looking at the Adivasis as backward, poor, ignorant people, and this in large led to their marginalization.